So let's go to your browser and say repl.it, enter. The first thing is to log in. Please log in with your Google credentials. And then let's go and pick a new REPL. The language you would be using is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Please name your REPL Family Feud and say create REPL. Now you'll see that on the left hand side you have three files. One is index.html, one is script.javascript, and one is style.css. Now you may use these files. For example, if you have a CSS file to be used, if you want to style your project, you could use this file and you can type in your CSS commands and you could link it to the main HTML page, which is this. Over here, now you've already got some text here. You may delete the whole thing or whatever you don't need. So let me say I don't want to use these. And then you could go on working with the rest of this code. And you can fill it up with whatever you need for doing this project. If you want to add a image, you need to upload file. So I just clicked on these three dots. I said upload file, and I looked for the picture that I would need for Family Feud. So I would click on that and say open.